Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'm on my Chrome browser. So on the search field, I'm going to type in Chrome Web Store. Then I'm going to click on enter. So after searching for Chrome Web Store, the next thing to do is to click on the first link here, www.chrome.google.com. So I'm going to hit on this button. So here is Chrome Web Store. On the left hand side of the screen, you see a search bar. So on the search bar, we're going to type in TikTok and search. So here we have different Chrome extensions. So I'm going to click on this TikTok desktop and then add to Chrome up here. And then you see this dialog box. When this dialog box pops up, you click on add extension. So immediately you are done clicking on add extension, you have to wait for a few seconds and then you come to this button, this puzzle looking button right here. You click on it and then you see on the list, you see TikTok desktop. You click on it. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also hit on that bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.